Imagine sitting on a massive treasure chest but not opening it. That's exactly what businesses do when they ignore dark data. Enterprises collect billions of data points every year through emails, customer interactions, IoT sensors, and security logs. But most of it never gets analyzed. It just sits there, forgotten. But here's the catch. Hidden inside this forgotten data are insights that can revolutionize businesses. So how do we unlock the power of dark data? Today we are diving deep into dark data, what it is, why it matters, and how businesses can finally tap into the power of dark data. Let's get started. Not all data is created equal. In fact, over 80% of the data enterprises collect is never used. Dark data includes things like unstructured customer logs and transaction records, archived emails, support tickets and documents, security footage, sensor data, and machine logs. It's collected, stored, but never analyzed. A wasted opportunity for insights, efficiency, and innovation. Ignoring dark data is like having a crystal ball you never look into. Companies are now waking up to its potential because it reveals hidden business insights related to customer behavior, operational inefficiencies, and so much more. It strengthens security and compliance because unmanaged data is a risk. Understanding it prevents breaches. It also fuels AI and automation. If structured correctly, dark data powers predictive analytics and smarter decision making. The question here isn't if dark data is valuable, it's how fast businesses can start using it. Unlocking dark data requires the right tech stack. The technologies that will play a big role include AI and machine learning that analyzes vast amounts of unstructured data, uncovering patterns that humans miss. Big data analytics processes massive data sets to extract meaningful insights. Natural language processing. It reads and interprets text from emails, chat logs, and customer feedback. Then there is cloud storage and edge computing. It makes dark data accessible, scalable, and secure. Dark data isn't just a problem, it's an opportunity. At API Connects, we help businesses identify and classify their dark data, deploy AI-driven analytics to extract real-time insights, and ensure compliance and security while maximizing data value. Data is only powerful when used. If you're still ignoring dark data, you're leaving money, insights, and innovation on the table. Unlock your dark data potential with API Connects. Email us on inquiry@apiconnects.co.nz to turn dark data into business intelligence.